Welcome back to the Mickey Thompson Tough Truck Challenge here at the Four Wheel Jamboree Nationals on World of Trucks. Claude Wood along with Rick Carlson. And this semifinal round, what an interesting one. It brings up Lionel Easler in his Rancho ride, who happens to be second in points right now, Rick.
He is paired with Dave DeMay. First time for Dave in the semifinals since he won this event several years ago. Lionel Easler, second in points, only qualified number 8. So he would be the favorite, but he's got the long turn, and there comes the Jeep of DeMay. DeMay with the lead right now. Can he hold it down this front straightaway? It's going to be close. And it is Dave DeMay.
Good race, fairly close on the end. And as Jeff Diedick gets ready to go, let's check in with Doc.
That was a nice pass against Lionel Easler.
Thank you very much. Lionel's always the best competitor, best quality. You couldn't ask for a nicer guy. It's been a while since we've won one of these things, and really like to be back in the winner's circle again.
Well, Rick, this should be an interesting one. The student and the teacher, Chris Mosier, coming to the line now. Pretty much a rookie in the sport, and he will face the veteran Jeff Diedick in the general lead.
Chris Mosier in the same truck that Jeff won in 2 years ago. So it will be the teacher, the student, experienced teacher, the student, one of the new kids on the block.
And you know, should the student win, at least that's hats off to the teacher, a job well done.
Well, it means a good teacher, good learner, and a good truck.
And look at this, the student won it. Chris Mosier with a time of 22.96. Let's go on board with Jeff Diedick.
Jeff Diedick, we're going to watch him in that new truck. He keeps it tied into the turn. Now he gets a little sideways over this jump. You can lose some time doing that. Diedick, that long now, he's on the outside of the S turn, and well, you can see Chris Mosier up front right now. He knows he's in trouble as Mosier leads for the win.
Great semifinal action right there, and it kind of came out, I guess, the way you'd really want it to come out, if you're going to be completely honest.
Yeah, completely honest, I did. It came out Autumn Woods racing on top, but that was a race I wasn't expecting to take, but that was a race of my life right there. I just beat my teacher.
Beat your teacher, which is great. It's the first time in Lima, and you move on to the next round.
That too.
Time now for a product highlight, which features some of the most interesting and innovative aftermarket products available for your vehicle. Now, here's Bill Stevens.
This product highlight brings us to the folks at PIA that has a tremendous line of automotive and truck products, but Ian McKenzie is here. He's a regional manager for PIA to tell us about the windshield wiper blades that you market. Now, Ian, why do I want these wiper blades on my car?
The PIA Super Silicone Wiper Blade is an excellent product. What it does is it comes with a pre-pack of silicone. You actually apply the windshield when you first install the blade. As the blade wears, it continues to apply silicone to the windshield, and silicone has the property that is very water repellent. So water beads up and flows off the windshield. The cool thing about these blades is that they wear extremely well. They last for ages, and there's virtually no streaking, no chatter, so you got a quiet, seamless, beautiful wiper, clean windshield all the time. We just introduced our graphite wiper blades in the last year as well. They also use a graphite as a lubricant or a friction reducing agent, and they also work very well too.
Boy, they get all the water off your windshield, you can see better, and they last a long time, so you don't have to spend a lot of money every year for new wiper blades. Sounds like a winner to me.
Well, Rick, it's happy hour, and this will be an exciting moment for the youngster Chris Mosier as he will face David DeMay. This is the final.
Dave DeMay, well, the damaged good Jeep with a 400 cubic inch small block. He has won here before, but that was 5 years ago in a different class. Chris Mosier, this would probably be the truck that we'd say would be the favorite. This truck won here 2 years ago. It was the one that was the championship truck, and he took out his teacher, but right now DeMay doing a great job with the Jeep. They come around that final corner, and they are side by side.
And the win goes to David DeMay. Chris Mosier having a little bit of problems in the finesse area, especially on the turns and especially heading into the jumps where it is all so important.
They leave side by side, and right now, DeMay is the one that lands a little bit crooked as he comes off the second jump. Now they're into the first of the S turns, and DeMay is going very slowly, trying to stay in bounds.
And Rick, you know, this will be a day, though, that Chris Mosier will never, ever forget.
Well, it was a second place finish, and let's watch when they come over this jump and go into the last turn. A couple of more jumps on the straightaway. DeMay in the lead, but as they come around the corner, you'll see that change. Mosier takes over the lead. Let's watch him on this last jump and the landing, and I think that may have been where everything was decided. Mosier comes down crooked, sideways, has to straighten it up, while DeMay has a nice straight finish.
Let's check in with Doc.
Not many people can say they're a two-time winner in the Jamboree, and even fewer people can say they've been a two-time winner at Lima. Congratulations, a great, great run.
Thanks a lot, Doc. I appreciate it. Mickey Thompson's hooked up great. Wonderful weekend. Smoking a little bit. I think I might have used it up, but fantastic weekend. Hats off to Chris Mosier. He ran a great race. I know that team is getting better every year. So they got a new truck out. Always looking to improve. So they're doing a fantastic job. Hats off to everybody that's been helping me. This is really coming together for us.
You've always had a lot of people back behind you helping you out.
Yeah, thanks to Dave Teeter with Designs. Thanks to Alan and Elmo Stereo Systems. Fantastic weekend. This is what we live for.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And as we take a look at the points, the way they stack up right now, our congratulations to all the drivers and teams for making this an exciting day in the Mickey Thompson Tough Truck Challenge. Now, if you would like more information on products shown today, be sure to log on to these websites. Be sure to join us on World of Trucks coming up next week. It will be monster trucks, the monster truck Thunder Drags from Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. And that will put a wrap on today's edition of World of Trucks. For Rick Carlson, Doc Riley, and Bill Stevens, Claude Wood, keep on trucking.